If somebody asks me what I want for my kids, I want them to reach their full potential. Other people in the world, they don't have that same sort of opportunity. Diseases like this are just something that you deal with every day. My lab focuses on the basic biology of schistosomes, which are parasitic worms that infect hundreds of millions of people, largely in the developing world.
Schistosomiasis is a parasitic disease. It's caused by a small flatworm.
You go into the water and these larvae penetrate your skin. They lay thousands of eggs every day, and these eggs get stuck in your tissues.
They get trapped in the liver and in the intestine. Some can make it to the brain, and that's where you have the real problem.
Schistosomiasis is one of the biggest neglected tropical diseases.
The number of people that die every year range, from 10 to 15,000 people up to 250,000 people. The burden of this disease predominantly falls on, children. You might be anemic, you might be malnourished, delays in growth, deficits in learning.
They're not able to grow, they're not able to work, they're constantly kept sick by this disease as it's a lifelong illness for them.
If you stop egg production, you stop the disease. You stop the pathology, you stop the spread. The schistosomes are really unique in that they have both male and female sexes. And if you actually take the male worms away from the female worms will regress and become sexually immature. Can we figure out ways to block their ability to make these eggs, which are really the main pathological agent?
Studying the actual biology of these worms, finding out what makes them tick. That can tell us where to start to find perhaps a great new therapeutic, or even to maybe develop a vaccine finally that works.
He's perfectly situated himself, the future of his laboratory, to discover that mechanism and then therapeutically target it.
There are a lot of these diseases we just don't think about because of where we live. They impact the most vulnerable among us and don't have somebody speaking on their behalf. The harder we work and the better we are and the more discoveries we make, we can push perhaps that next discovery into a therapy that can help these people.